Welcome back to Car Hub, where every engine tells a story and every ride is built to move more than just miles. Today we're diving into the 2025 Ram pickup truck, a machine that redefines power, comfort, and smart innovation in the world of full-size pickups. From the job site to the open highway, this truck is designed to dominate. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around till the end, because what Ram has done this year might just change the game for good. The 2025 Ram comes roaring in with new engine options that swap out the classic HEMI V8 for twin-turbocharged inline-six power. These new Hurricane engines come in two versions, pushing out up to 540 horsepower in the high-output model, while delivering more torque and better fuel economy than the old V8 ever could. For those looking for variety, the base model still offers a smooth V6 with mild hybrid tech. And on the horizon, Ram is also rolling out fully electric and hybrid versions, including the Ram Charger and Rev, bringing electrification to the toughest lineup yet. Step inside and you'll forget you're in a truck. The cabin is packed with luxury-level features like massaging leather seats, a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen, and even a screen just for the passenger. There's a head-up display, digital gauge cluster, and a top-tier 23-speaker Klipsch sound system that turns every drive into a concert. Whether you're towing, hauling, or just taking a long drive, the 2025 Ram wraps you in comfort and control, with smart tech guiding every move. On the outside, the design is bold and refreshed. With sharper lines, new lighting, and an aggressive stance, this truck makes a strong first impression. But it's not just about looks. The Ram delivers real performance, with towing capacity over 11,000 pounds and payload reaching 2,300. Off-road models bring locking differentials, skid plates, and terrain-tuned suspension for serious adventures. It's more than a pickup. It's a tool, a luxury ride, and a powerhouse all rolled into one. This is the 2025 Ram, and at Car Hub, we're here for every turn of the wheel. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and join us as we explore what's next in the world of unstoppable machines.